Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Ford Mustang GT. This is the base GT, no performance package, but it does have the valved exhaust, which I'm about to go in depth and show you how it works. First, we'll take a look at the sticker. Shadow black over ebony cloth seats with a total price of $40,965. This one is the 10-speed automatic and is a lot of fun to drive. So, how the active exhaust works is you will see you have the quad exhaust as with every other GT. But, take a knee in the rocks, you will see a valve on that one there. That valve is closed in quiet mode. Scroll down to normal. That valve is slightly open. We're in track. It's straight through. Pretty cool to see in action. Whew. Do this lap with it in quiet mode, the next in track. It's getting cold. All right. Still got a camera. All right, quiet mode. Still has a very good sound to it. Nice and throaty. So you can tell, I mean, it still has a great sound to it, but it's just a little hushed. You can kind of keep that sound to yourself. Also has a quiet start mode where you can set certain times where if you start it at that time, it won't be extremely loud. Because right now, it's very, very mellow. Nice, easy to drive. nice, quiet car, honestly. But there's not a lot of fun in that. So once we take the right-hand turn, go over the bumpy roads, we'll pop it down into track, and we'll do the same loop. And you can really tell the difference. This one's a little bit more forgiving than the performance that I just got out of. You can take this at normal speed and be completely fine. Now, do it in throttle. You just hear it go, whoa. Just completely changes the whole tone of the car. Of course, if I were to go from quiet to normal, that would be a little bit of a better test. But, you know, there won't be as big of a jump. But where's the fun in that? Oh yeah. I'll go this way. I'm gonna leave it in track. There we go. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.